Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Portland teen recaptured after jumping through court window to avoid custody. There is a renewed call for the shortage of police personnel to man the children's court in Buff Bay, Portland, to be addressed after a teen boy escaped court by jumping through an upstairs window after an order was made for him to be remanded. The incident happened on Monday. My people, when I hear them things here, you can't imagine. So this one I understand with them young youth. They don't want to get jail, but them a cause problem. That don't make no sense. Remember saying, from you do the crime, you have to do the time. And then this a youth, this a teen, I jump through window, all them nonsense there. My people, when I buck up on this, I say I just have to share this with you because this is just pure madness. I tell you, say there's a veil over the island, and I think of some joke thing, a serious thing. But tell me one thing still. Anyway, hear this. Farmer charged for fatally chopping man in St. Elizabeth. My viewers and subscribers, the St. Elizabeth police have charged 65-year-old farmer Jocelyn Boyne, also called Blacks, with the murder of Everton Powell, otherwise called Zeeks. Both men are from New Building District in St. Elizabeth. It is alleged that on December the 9th, Powell went to Boyne's home. Una listen, my people, listen keenly. It is alleged that on December the 9th, Powell went to Boyne's home and called him. Boyne opened his back door and Powell used a machete to chop him on his right hand. A tussle ensued, during which Boyne chopped Powell several times in the head and on the upper body. Powell was taken to the Black River Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Boyne was taken into custody and subsequently charged. All right, my people. Then now, Powell now went to Boyne's home. When I hear them something, him go to the man yard, when the man fly up in the back door, and chop the man pan the man hand, and then now, so then start a tussle and one bag of something them are going with, and then the man now, Boyne, chop up Powell, and then now, Boyne, arrest him. I don't understand. Charge him. This coming like to me, it's a self-defense. How can somebody live from them yard, go to other people's yard for fight? And when them deal with them, then they get charged. I don't believe in that. Nobody not left from nobody yard and go fight nobody and go war nobody. Anything they get, they just have to take. I tell you the God Almighty truth. To me, this is self-defense. You understand? To me, my people, this is self-defense. As me say, violence, me not condone violence and them kind of something there. You understand? Violence and crime need to stop. But they cannot live from somebody's yard, figure out somebody's yard to chop up them. That don't make no sense. Then you chop the man hand. Guess what? Them always say when you dig one hole, you have to dig two. Because they ain't going to chop up the man. He ain't going to chop the man. And when you go chop the man, he turn around and him dead. You understand me? The people, all this crime and violence need to stop. It needs to stop. Them something and right, me people. You can't live. You see all the woman them too, the man them we are left from the yard and go do. You don't need to stop them foolishness there. Because pussy and dog don't have the same luck. You don't need to stop that. Too much violence and crime, man. And what do you so? You don't stop the war, man. My people, when I come across it, I say, no, sir, to me, this sounds like a self-defense. Because if somebody come at your yard and chop you, yeah, and chop, obviously, you're going to retaliate. So you try to save yourself. So this is self-defense. Even a little baby can see that. The people no tell me what to think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section for me there, alright? Hear this. JTA head sounds caution. Says need for serious gender identity discussion. When I hear them something, you know, my people, my viewers and subscribers, they are saying gender identity discussion right now. They want to do a gender identity discussion. You tell me now, why the JTA now want to discussion about identity? Every boy we born knows that them a boy, every girl we born knows that them a girl. Me tell you know, me tell you no. Say this is where everything heading. One thing say a joke thing, one say me right. Now they want to have an open discussion. Remember the video when me showing you know with Andrew Holness, you know, upon Good Morning Brittany, you know. Remember him did a talk about open discussion. Say in a parliament, him and the MP they did have an open discussion about it. See it here now. Wanna hear them something, you know. Some people. The head of the 25,000 strong teachers union says, while the battle lines are not yet drawn on the issue of gender identity in schools here, the matter needs to be discussed openly. Gender identity, according to the World Health Organization, refers to a person deeply felt internal and individual experience of gender, which may or may not correspond to the person's physiology or designated sex at birth. My people, seriously, this has stressed me out. I'm not telling you no lie. Me feel stressed about this. No, me tell you no. You see anything me tell you no, it always come to pass, don't it? When me tell you no say, when Andrew Holness bring in hate speech law, it is about something totally different. It's not about really and truly true because people are cuss one another. They know so Jamaican people ever cuss people from Wapikill, fill up. So I tell me say it take Andrew Holness 8 years. 8 years to figure out say you want a 8 and law, 8 and speech law. No go so. Because he want to bring in the rainbow. You understand? And see, this is a good example. Yeah, tell me say the teachers, no, what I talk about? Because right now, just get me pissing now. What I talk about? From me, have sense. Little have sense. Everybody knows say when you're a girl, when you're born as a girl, you're a blasted girl. When you're born as a boy, you're a blasted boy. So how comes you don't want open discussion? You know, say people then sticking at their head. How you born as a girl and feel say uno gender no right? It's all in the mind. It's all in the mind. When you take out them, there's something out on the brain. When you born as girl, when you grow up and see no mother and no father. When you born as man, when you grow up and see no mother and no father. Or if you no see no mother and father together, you see some sitting with man and woman. So I don't understand, what kind of openly discussion you don't want to have now. So you're born as a girl and you grow up as a girl. So you tell me, say you're confused, say you're a girl. It is in the mind. You're born as a girl, you're a blasted girl. You're born as a boy, you're a blasted boy. You understand? So when you talk about, they need to discuss it openly because to know their identity. They well I know their identity. They just want to go out and do what they're not supposed to do. Sitting around with them. You understand me, people? All them something is not right. Or if you're born as a boy or you're born as a girl, and then no, you think there's something wrong with it, you shouldn't born as a girl. Oh, put that in on your head. Me people, you see? You see how this come out now? How the JTA, there's a reason why the Jamaican Teachers Association is coming out with this, because they're probably seeing things happening. Probably they see woman, the girl picking them are linked together and the boy picking them are linked together. You understand me? So how then just get the feeling? I don't understand. I don't understand this. My viewers and subscribers, this is how it all starts. You see this now, the Jamaican Teachers Association now want to have an open discussion because in enough of the schools them, apparently, in enough of the schools they have the boys' toilet and they have the girls' toilet. And they have a toilet we have half drawing of a woman and half drawing of a man. That is a serious thing because I see Talkman TV show it on his channel and I watch it. So let me tell you something. Them know exactly what they're doing. And no make Andrew Holness trick, Andrew Holness know why I come out with the hate and speech law. You hear where the WHO said. All right. So the gender identity, according to them, this is what the Jamaican Teachers Association has said now in my people. Uno say as something in a something right now. This is what they're going to bring out. This is what they're going to bring out. And why would they want to have an open discussion? Since when? Why? Why they want? Why take Andrew Owens 8 years for now? They want. Me not understand people. This is why when I come out, I'm showing the things. I explain to you. No need to listen and use no wisdom. You see now, as I said before, now they want to have an open discussion. This is where the hate and speech law is heading to. Because underneath it, you have discrimination and physical violence and stuff like that. You understand? This is where it head to. Because I'm telling you, say, there's no need for come up with a hate and speech law when you already have discrimination, all them kind of something they under the constitutional already. And I understand what I try to show you. It don't make no sense. This is why I'm trying to tell you, say, the hate and speech law is something different or something that is coming. So now you see the Jamaican Teachers Association come out now and say, and something where they tell them, because the first place them bring it out in is in the schools. See there? See full proof, you know. You know, see now. Me tell you no. You know, make sure so you teach on the pitney and teach on the pitney really well. You understand me? Because I don't know how comes these pitney these days confused. Just get confused after a sudden. Something is wrong. Something is really wrong. But you don't have to agree with me, you know. This is just my opinion. You don't have to agree with me. You put an honest opinion in the comment section, because more than like to hear phone views. I would like hear if you agree with the Jamaican Teachers Association for the pitney them if have an open discussion about their identity. Me Rasta Jamaica can't believe say so Jamaica become. Me not even going to say I become. Me can't believe say so Jamaica become. But well, I see in a last year when them did a keep a carnival. A whole heap of rainbow man did and the police then did a guard them. I don't know if I did see it. Only because they ain't go live. And me watch them. Yeah, me watch them on TikTok when they did live Carnival of Jamaica and the police then did they protect them. So me know me people. So when me tell you no things, you have to just understand and know say how so it go. So there you go. Right now, that's how we are head to. So on buckle up. Prepare yourself and get ready, because it's all started now and in the school for it to start, my people. So tell me one thing. Put an honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Like up the video, share the video, so this video can go on in the algorithm, my people, all right? But before I go, I want to big up one of my subscribers. So today, I'm going to big up Vindicated 806. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Welcome to Hot Off of the Press. So my people, if you want a big up, all you have to do is do the doop. Subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and click all. So when we drop the video them, you get them straight away. Bless upon a nice clean self. I'm out.